Okay, I'll try to speak in English. Okay, Mr. Mauro. This is the scope of work on your home, okay? We changed this kind of shingles. It's 3-tap shingles for this kind of shingle like your neighbor. It's more strong, okay? If you can see, the turbine not working, but right now in this part you need a ridge bend like this, like your neighbor. You can see this line, this line. All your neighbors have this because this is the new installation. You need this fence on this park, okay? So we changed the shingles. We put a better bends for your home. We cancel the turbines because the turbine not working. All your bends change for metal bends. You can see there are nails like this. So we fix this. We put ridge bend here too, and we change everything your bends. But down the plywood, we including 12 plywood in this estimate, okay?